Many parents believe that cloth nappies are time-consuming and too much like hard work, but when looking at the environmental benefits, it is seen that these efforts pay off. Cloth nappies are more beneficial to environmental sustainability, but only if they are used in certain conditions. The positive influence on the environment by decreasing the amount of landfill and pollution is affecting many people to consider using cloth nappies. Using cloth nappies is just one of the environmentally friendly products that people may choose to use in their lifetime. It is an important decision and many need to have the research to back up their decision. Both the manufacturing process and the daily use and care of a cloth nappy determines how effective it is in benefiting the environment. The way of manufacturing a cloth nappy does not change for each nappy, but the way each individual person uses a cloth nappy does change. How effective the cloth nappy is on environmental sustainability is dependent on how the individual uses it and how much they want to help the environment. Cloth nappies have been around for a long time, only now becoming more and more popular. The lack of knowledge on the environmental benefits of cloth nappies is causing some parents to shy away from using them. This affects the amount of landfill produced, as the majority of parents are still using disposable nappies, over 90% in fact. Many do not understand the benefits that cloth nappies provide for the environment and can be considered to be anti-environment by others, but in fact they are just uninformed. Cloth nappies are made from many materials, including cotton, bamboo, microfiber and hemp, and as these are naturally occurring products, they create low energy use. Cloth nappies should be used in an effective way to give the best environmental benefits, and using for more than one child is one of the many ways. Storing the nappies in a dry bucket until there is enough to do a full wash, then washing them in an energy-efficient machine set no higher than 60 degrees with eco-friendly washing detergent, and finally allowing the nappies to dry naturally on a line will ensure they are being used in the most environmentally beneficial way. The studies on cloth nappies have shown that the environmental impact they leave behind is significantly less than disposable nappies. Cloth nappies are 40% better for the environment when used in the optimum conditions, but can be 50% worse if they are not used on more than one child and tumble-dried, as this uses more energy. The ongoing studies in cloth nappies to educate the general population on their effectiveness are still developing, with a small percentage of people understanding their environmental benefits. To help more parents understand these great benefits, nappy libraries and cost subsidising is being implemented by groups in local communities. There is certainly a lot more to learn and understand about the cloth nappy. Anyone can be involved in the use of the cloth nappy, from the parent to a caregiver at a childcare centre. The more knowledge and information available will promote the cloth nappy and could even lean towards other areas of environmental sustainability being explored. Through this research project on cloth nappies, it has been discovered that the humble cloth nappy is not all that it first appeared to be. Although the cloth nappy is effective in reducing environmental impact, it must be used in certain conditions to ensure its efficiency. By using the cloth nappy in an effective washing situation, but then drying the cloth nappy in an energy-consuming way, is more detrimental for the environment. The knowledge that the community has on the cloth nappy was also interesting, as there is quite a bit of information across many sources, but this has not reached the wider population. Understanding all the aspects of how the cloth nappy can be beneficial for the environment has been important information to learn, to pass on to others for the future.